Hello everyone. So welcome to the modular arithmetic domain. Modular arithmetic domain is basically one of the very important branch of mathematics, and at the same time this branch is quite interesting and it is little bit complex. So in the modular arithmetic we'll see some introduction. Uh, First point says that modular arithmetic is the backbone of cryptography and the network security. Since already we are aware with the cryptography and the network security, basically what happened over here in the cryptography and the network security. First here we encrypt the message before sending message to the network. For here first we encrypting the message, then after encrypting the message, here we send message to the network, and after sending it to the network, again at the receiver end message is decrypted. But in entire encryption and the decryption process, here keys are used, and that keys are calculated with the help of modular arithmetic concept. Hence we call the modular arithmetic is a backbone for cryptography and network security. Uh, you might be aware with the one of the famous algorithms of cryptography and the network security, that is the RSA algorithm and Diffie-Hellman algorithm. Basically in this algorithm we use the method of modular arithmetic, and by using this method here we calculate a public key, private key and symmetry key. So I'll not going to explain in detail about the public key, private key and symmetry key, because you will going to understand this concept in your subject only. So here only I am explaining modular in this algorithm. The modular arithmetic became a very important part, and by using the modular arithmetic here we calculate public key, private key and symmetry key. And there is also one of the most important branch of engineering, that is called information theory and coding, and over there modular arithmetic become the core of that particular subject. And modular arithmetic concept is also most widely used in electronics and telecom sector, because over there we are doing the exchange of messages, and whenever the exchange of messages are involved, in that particular case modular arithmetic became the one of the most important component over there. So this is all about the introduction of modular arithmetic, and from the next lecture we'll start with the exercise part. Thank you.